guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. This is for April. Do you want to know what's in my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Ipsy Glam Bags for April just arrived, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now, I did make my own shirt. Respect my distance. 6 feet away, stay away. So that's what you'll be seeing today, because I made this for like my work shirt. While I'm out, anytime I leave the house, I'm going to be wearing this shirt. So people can stay away from me. Anyway, here is the main profile, my side chick. Let's go ahead and go through the main profile. Now, I do remember seeing the bag, and the bag looks really pretty from what I remember. Yes, this is the bag. Let me make sure I don't have anything lingering inside. Nope. Okay, and this one again is my main profile. So this is the one that I actually tell what I like, what I don't like, that kind of thing. So here's the bag this month. It's very pretty. I like this lavender color with like these little flowers. It does have like a big O-ring for the pool. It's like a wooden O-ring type thing, and it has Ipsy on it. And then when you open it up, it is all that color inside. So let me go ahead and dump the products out and get the card so we can see what we have. All right. So yeah, again, the inside is all like that color. It does have their Ipsy logo. And here is the card. This month's theme is Full Bloom. And let's see what we have. So this is a big size sample for an Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a glossier, okay, this side says it in English. Priming Moisture Rich Luxurious Face Cream. So that is like a good size sample for this. This is the deluxe sample. The full size would be $35. So there's item number 1. Now we have is an Oatmeal Face Scrub. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $42. And again, this is an Oatmeal Face Scrub. Now we have is a gel pencil liner. Huh? What? Oh my gosh. Is Ipsy feeling okay? Can I go feel their forehead? I have a pencil liner instead of a liquid liner. Can I feel your forehead, Ipsy? Because holy shit, I actually have what I use. That is amazing. This is a full size and it's $16. So this right here pays for the entire bag, free shipping and everything based on $12 is what this whole bag is with free shipping. So this is a pencil liner that you sharpen. I'm actually really excited to see this in there. Normally every month I get a liquid liner that I don't use. Good job, Ipsy, for once. Not gonna give you that much credit, but for once. Now I have a Berry Plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel. Here's the packaging for that. And this right here says it's a full size valued at $19. And then the inside packaging, we'll see, that's what it looks like. I was thinking by reading it, saying that it's a lip gel, I was thinking it was gonna be like a clear, but this actually has a tint to it. So it's a slight pinkish tinge to it. And let's see what it looks like. That actually feels really, really good. It kind of smells like a strawberry. That's what I'm smelling anyway. It says 100% vegan lip gel, berry plus juice. So it gives you a slight slight tint with like a lip balm with a tint to it. It feels really nice. I actually like that. And this is in the color Rose Current. It says on the bottom, it says Rose Current, but I actually like that. It feels really nice on my lips. So 2 of these items I'm super, super excited about. And then the last thing in here is by Nomad, and it looks like it's an intense shadow, like a single shadow. And I do have a full size, I believe, palette of this brand. And if you guys follow me, you know I don't really use these single shadows. So I'll show you guys the color, and then I'll just set it in my box for my future giveaway pile for you guys. And let's see. So it's this little single shadow right there. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $27. There's not a mirror or anything, and it's like a light tan color. So you'll see this in a future giveaway. So that is everything that's in my main chick. Again, we have the single shadow. We have this lip oil with a slight tinge of tint. I think that's what I was trying to say earlier, which I like that. We have an apricot. No, that is an oatmeal face scrub. We have this glossier moisturizing primer. And then we have a no, this is an eyeliner. Oh my goodness. So here is my main profile. So let's go ahead and see what's in my side chick and see which one was better. All right, you guys, let's get in here. Same bag, of course. This time I do have a product that's inside the bag that wouldn't fit, and it's this box right here. This says Super Berry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask by Youth to the People. Alrighty. And that's what it looks like inside. So it's a Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So there's that. Let me see what this is. Let me open this again, same bag. Let me get everything else out of here. Let me get the card out. Full bloom again. And that guy that I just opened is a deluxe sample. The full size is $48. So there's item number one. Item number two, this is Be Bright Illuminating Concealer by Beauteque. I think that's what that's called. This is a full size and this is valued at $8. So there's that. We have a Nomad Single Shadow. I don't know if this is the same color. Knowing my luck, probably, but let's see. It looks like it's the same color, like a light tan color. Looks like that is the same. So we have two of these guys that will go in a future giveaway. So stick that back in there. And then we have by Context, this is a nail lacquer. So we have a nail polish. This is cruelty-free and vegan. And there's that. It's a nice, pretty like mauve color, like a pinkish mauve. That is really pretty. This is a full size and this is valued at $15. It says this color is the new go-to natural. Then we have something in bubble wrap. This is Space Case Cosmetics, and this looks like it's a highlighter. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size product is $9. And they give us the deluxe size sample. And there it is. It says Seen from Space, 1A is the color. And that's without the glare. So there is a highlighter. So that is everything that came in this month's bag. We have the highlighter, we have the same color, we have the concealer, we have the nail polish, and then we have the dream mask and the bag. So that is everything that came in my side chick. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know which one did you like better. Did you like my main chick? Did you like my side chick? If you do want to know what all of the different possibilities were that they would have chose from based on your profile, you know, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is all of the different options that they had for April's bags that they would have chose the 5 to put in your glam bag for this month. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know. Again, you guys, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew out.